Hi, my name is Patrik Lonn. I'm an interior designer based in New York City, and we are here today at 200 East 95th Street, located on the Upper East Side. This residence is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and it's about 5,000 square feet. And I would like to show you the apartment. Come along with me. As you walk into the apartment, you find this enormous gallery and entry space. So the gallery space, I wanted to make it as a jewelry box. So the two wallpapers, there's one in the entry that's very beautiful from Phillip Jeffries, and it has a sparkle. It's a metallic leaf wallpaper. And in the big gallery, because it's such a long space, I wanted the wallpaper to be more intimate. So that's also a metal leaf paper, but much more warmer in the champagne colors. The gallery space is the spine of the apartment, and as you walk in, you find a vista that draws you back into the great room. When you walk into the great room, you're amazed by the size of the room, the luxury feel of it, and the immense amount of light from the windows. I separated the space in two areas, one dining room area and one living room area. So the living room area has this huge oversized sectional sofa. I like it to be very comfortable and very casual. I don't like the seating areas to be very formal. I designed this custom millwork bookcase to really frame the living room space for art, collectibles, and books. One of my favorite features are the two chandeliers that I had custom made, and they really add a sparkle and an additional luxurious feel to the space. The dining room table is my design as well, and it has a beautiful, beautiful high gloss finish, and it's a rosewood that we have custom made here in the United States. And you can have fabulous dinners here, and I added some vintage chairs and custom made side chairs for comfort. The final touches to my rooms are of course the window treatment, and in this particular instance it's a very, very fine sheer from Italy. And the best part is that either you're dining or lounging, you have New York City all around you. In this master suite, you really feel like you're a world away from the city. The bedding is from Frette, Italian company, very luxurious. I have decorative pillows from Fortuny, which is a company from Venice. So right across from the bed, I found this beautiful, beautiful vintage round mirror that creates an additional sparkle and elegance to the room. If you can see the window treatment, they have different textures, and I have a pattern of a stripe and then the side panels in a silk fabric. One of the best parts with this room, of course, is the view again. From the bed, you can see the East River. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful apartment and learned that with just the right amount of sparkle and texture, you can create an elegant and livable home. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?